The graph of ways a, x minus b all squared plus c, which is completed square form, is shown below. Identify the values of a, b and c. So let's go to the vertex, because as we've seen, completed square form tells us about the vertex. And the vertex here is at 2, -5. So far, that gives us x minus 2 squared take away 5. Now there's a couple of ways of finding the a. One of them is to use a point that we know. So we can see here that the intercept is at 0, 3. And that means x is 0, y is 3. If we substitute that in, we've got 3 is a. 0 minus 2 squared take away 5. So if we square -2, we get 4. So that's going to be 4a take away 5. So we've got to solve the equation. 4a minus 5 is 3. Add 5 to both sides and divide by 4. So a is 2. So a is 2. And by comparison from here and the original statement, we can see that b is 2. And comparison here with the original statement, c is -5. Now I did say there was another way of finding the a, and I'm just going to show you that as well. If we go to the vertex and just go 1 unit across, if you look at the graph, we go 2 units up, and that is another way of getting the a. We've got to do the same thing here. So it's in the form a x minus b squared plus c. So let's go to the vertex to start with. And we can see that that is at -1, 12. And so we know that we're going to have x plus 1 squared plus 12. We don't know the a yet. A couple of different ways of finding a. Firstly, if I go across 1 unit, you can see that I go down 1 unit. So that suggests that a is -1. We can also do that using the intercept here at 0, 11. So y is 11 when x is 0. And so 1 squared, of course, is 1. So I missed out the equal sign. 11 is equal to a plus 12. And so a is -1. So we could find the a 2 ways. So we now know that a is -1. And from comparing this and this, we can see that b is -1 as well. And comparing this to this, we can see that c is equal to 12.